Posting videos to YouTube is a totally free way to bring attention to your business, generate leads, and build reliability.
Where to start? Check out these 5 easy video ideas you can try today. Hi everyone, and welcome to Marketing with Marketers by RentalBeast. My name is Susan, and I'm the Associate Digital Marketing Director here at RentalBeast.
And I'm Aleksia, Content Strategist at RentalBeast. Today we're going to talk about something we hear from real estate agents all the time. What video should I do? Well, get ready to build a great content calendar with these 5 easy and fun video ideas.
And as a quick reminder, there's tons more tips and tricks on RentalBeast University, on our blogs, and of course, come back to this YouTube channel and we'll have a couple more for you as well.
Okay, let's start. Number 1, show off your listings. Listing walkthroughs are a great way to show off the homes and apartments that you represent and generate more interest for them. When you walk through a listing, keep in mind that you want to tell a compelling story. Let your prospect know the type of get-togethers they can have in the living room, maybe the activities their kids can do in the backyard. Those little details will really help your clients envision themselves in that space.
Number 2, do a neighborhood tour. Sell your area as well as the apartment. Let the viewer follow you around as you soak the local atmosphere, get a cup of coffee, or maybe do some shopping so that they can see themselves living in that same space.
And number 3, host a Q&A. Answer your clients' burning questions on the real estate market. And if no one's flooding your inbox with questions, ask your own. Ask yourself, what would a first-time home buyer need to know? What about someone who's transitioning from renting to buying? Put yourself in your client's shoes and get ready to drop some super useful information.
Number 4, connect with other pros. Team up with a real estate mentor, a friend at your brokerage, or an agent you think knows their stuff. Here's some video ideas, tips for renting, or any major red flag you should probably watch out for.
And number 5, last but not least, break down real estate trends. Real estate agents can become a powerful source of calm in turbulent times like these. So ask yourself, what do you see in the cards for the market? What amenities are becoming increasingly popular? How much can your clients really expect to pay for their home or apartment? Share your expertise on the real estate market to position yourself as a knowledgeable thought leader and a reliable source of information. So those are our 5 fun and easy video content ideas for real estate agents. Susan, do you have any last tips?
Honestly, just have fun and get to know your equipment and practice. Remember, it's okay to make a couple mistakes here and there, as long as you try, and we're all human.
So if you want any more ideas on how to generate leads through social media, check out RentalBeast University for more information. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time
On Marketing with Marketers.